Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about Europe, which is one of the 7 continents. Let's get started. Europe is the second smallest of the world's continents, and it's located completely in the northern hemisphere and partially in the eastern hemisphere. It borders the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. Europe is about 3.8 million square miles with a population of 746 million people, and according to the UN, 44 countries. About 10% of the world's population lives in Europe. It also lays claim to the largest and smallest nations in the world, with Russia being the biggest at 6.6 million square miles and Vatican City the smallest at just 109 acres. Europe is generally characterized by a temperate climate. Most of Western Europe has an oceanic climate with cool to warm summers and cool winters with frequent overcast skies. Southern Europe has a distinctively Mediterranean climate, which features warm to hot, dry summers and cool to mild winters and frequent sunny skies. Central Eastern Europe is classified as having a continental climate, which features warm to hot summers and cold winters. In terms of diet, although it varies, the diet of the populations in Southern Europe are characterized by a relatively high consumption of fish, olive oil, vegetables, and fruit, and a lower consumption of meat and animal fat. Europe is overflowing with a variety of cultures, each unique and interesting in its own way. Each country has its own language, heritage, and way of life. Most European languages belong to either the Romance languages, the Germanic languages, or the Slavic languages. Some examples of European languages are Russian, German, French, English, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Polish. There are 24 official languages in Europe, but there are actually more than 200 languages spoken on the continent. Some famous landmarks that you might have heard of in Europe are Eiffel Tower, which is in France, the Colosseum, which is in Rome, Stonehenge, which is in the UK, Kremlin, which is in Russia, and Acropolis, which is in Greece. In Europe, there are also 270 species of mammals, such as boar, bat, deer, hare, and otter. It is also important to note the European Union, which is a union between 27 European countries who basically have common policies in trade and agriculture and have the same money system. So now you know a little about Europe. Thanks for watching!